Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Paradise on Earth, which is located off Kanakpura Road in Gangsandra, South Bangalore, and this project is developed by Urban Rise. And today we'll be doing the project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I'm standing exactly in front of the marketing office and this is the marketing office of the Paradise on Earth. And about the land parcel, so exactly this is the land parcel and the construction work is going on just on my right hand side. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this project is being constructed on total 24 acres of land parcel with just 219 individual villas consisting of 4 BHK villas, 4 BHK plus home office villas, and soon they will be launching with 5 BHK villas. And one more USP point of the project is the entire 24 acres is on solar power. Now let's discuss the location part, and this project is located in Gangsandra of Kanakpura Road in South Bangalore. And let me show you that this is the internal road and this road will connect you towards Mysore Road and Kanakpura Road. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project, BGS International School is 2 minutes away from the project. Silk Institute Metro Station is 15 minutes away. And Rajarajeshwari Medical College is 25 minutes away from the location of the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project provides you overall 80 plus luxurious amenities with this is 32,000 square feet of clubhouse, which includes the infinity pool, all the indoor activities and the games, as well as the Urban Rise Genius, that is the learning center. And other than this, you'll be getting over here that is the bird watching deck. The entire project will be covered with 1,500 trees, edible garden, picnic spot, and there is much more amenities in this project. Now let's discuss about the super built up area, and as mentioned this project provides you 4 BHK and 4 BHK plus home office villa, where 4 BHK villa is starting from 2505 square feet. 4 BHK villa plus home office is starting from 2934 square feet, super built up area. And now about the booking process. So the project booking window is open now, where we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along the project 3D model, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model villa as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project that is Paradise on Earth, located in Gangsandra off Kanakpura Road in South Bangalore, a project developed by Urban Rise.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.